Hi friends, we will try to find out x power 6 minus x power 3 equal to 2. Then what is the value of x? At first, x power 6 I can write down as x power 3 power 2 minus x power 3 equal to 2. Now I will take x power 3 as y. So let y equal to x power 3. So that will become y power 2 minus y equal to 2. Now 2 I can take on the left hand side. So that will become y square minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Now I can factorize. So this minus 2, I can try to factorize in such a way I get negative 1 because that is the middle term. So my factors will be minus 2 and positive 1. So I can factorize that as y minus 2 and y plus 1 equal to 0. So my two answers is y minus 2 equal to 0 and y plus 1 equal to 0. So my y value equal to 2 and y value equal to minus 1. But my y is x power 3. So this y equal to x power 3, I can put it back. So x power 3 is equal to 2 and x power 3 is equal to minus 1. Now, my x is going to be equal to 2 power 1 upon 3. And here my x is going to be minus 1 power 1 upon 3. But minus 1 power anything is minus 1, so that will be minus, so minus 1 power 1 upon 3. So cube root of minus 1 is going to be minus 1. So that will be my two possible answers. Now I'll be checking both the answers, are they right or wrong. So to check, I'll put down those values in my equation. So at first I will check x equal to 2 power 1 upon 3. So I will put down that in my equation x power 6 minus x power 3 equal to 2. Is it justifying or not? So my x is 2 power 1 upon 3. Everything power 6 minus 2 power 1 upon 3 and that power 3. And we will check, is it getting equal to 2 or not? So now power and power we can multiply. So 1 upon 3 multiply by 6 minus 2, 1 upon 3 multiply by 3 equal to 2. So here 2, 1 upon 3 times 6, which will be equal to 2, minus 1 upon 3 times 3, which is equal to 1, equal to 2. So 2 power 2 is 4, minus 2 power 1 is 2, equal to 2. So that is 2 equal to 2, which is matching. So my solution x equal to 2 upon 1 upon 2 power 1 upon 3 is correct. So this is the correct solution. Now I'll check for x equal to minus 1. So in my equation, x power 6 minus x power 3 equal to 2. I'll try to put down my x equal to minus 1. So minus 1 power 6 minus 1 power 3 equal to 2. So minus 1 power 6. Now my power is even number. So that is going to give me 1. And this is minus 1 power 3. My power is an odd number. So that will give me negative 1. And that is equal to 2. Now 1. Negative 1 will be positive 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So 2 equal to 2. So that is also correct. So my x minus 1 is also the solution. So I am getting two solutions. My first solution is x equal to 2 power 1 upon 3. And second solution is x equal to minus 1 for this equation. Thank you.